Ever wondered how to supercharge your designs using AI? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of AI in Canva, making your creative process faster, smarter, and way more fun. Canva now comes with a feature called Magic Studio, your all-in-one AI toolkit. You can access it right from the homepage or while editing any design. Inside Magic Studio, there are several tools designed to save you time and elevate your projects. For instance, Magic Design lets you create an entire design just from a simple prompt. Imagine typing what you want and instantly getting a ready-to-use layout. Then there's Magic Write, perfect for generating text, blog posts, captions, or anything else you need just by describing it. Want to edit images? Magic Edit is your go-to tool. You can manipulate images, replace backgrounds, or even add elements seamlessly with AI precision. And if you're creating videos or presentations, AI voice can generate natural sounding narration to bring your content to life. The key to getting the best results is in your prompts. Be as clear and detailed as possible, then refine the output until they match your vision. With these tools, Canva becomes more than just a design platform. It's like having an AI-powered creative assistant at your fingertips. So next time you start a project, don't just design. Design smarter with Canva's AI features and watch your ideas come to life faster than ever.